Let's install a shed in our backyard. This video is sponsored by Patiowell. Now, this is our first hubby and wife's home project of 2025, and I am so excited. Now, I'm acting like I'm going to do some work here, but you already know hubby is going to do it all. He is going to build a 4x4 plastic storage shed pro by Patiowell. But first things first, we have to prepare the area. We have to clean out the area. And I want it in the cut of my home and back patio or Florida room. Now, the satellite dish was in that area and it was not an easy feat to remove, but we got it up. And our next step was to go to Lowe's. And guys, do you see this? It is raining and it is cold. And actually, it has been raining pretty much every day here in Florida. But I am determined to get this project done. So we purchased rocks and we purchased stepping stones to place in the area of the shed. This shed is so easy to assemble. For the most part, you kick and snap the panels into place. It is made out of a polypropylene material that helps to create a sturdy base and a water-resistant roof. With one-piece panel design, this 4x4 storage shed is incredibly easy to assemble. Not only does it save time, but it's also interesting. Even children can get involved in this installation process. And look at that cute little window. It adds a designed touch to the shed. It took my hubby about an hour and 30 minutes to assemble the shed, but it is assembled. Now let me share with you a little tip that we received from a landscape friend. All those Amazon boxes that you receive, use them as a barrier block in your landscape or your beds. So right now I'm going to share with you this beautiful 4x4 shed by Patiowell. I absolutely love it. The stones that you see in the front of the shed are actually stones that we had left over from our stone walkway to the backyard. So we definitely wanted to use them. And we placed the shed by our whole house generator, and our plans are to beautify this space even more, and you'll see that for spring. So stay tuned. Hubby ran to the garage to grab a few things to place in the shed. The spacious interior provides ample space to store your garden tools, shelves, ladders, and other items. With its sturdy design, the shed provides more storage space for your belongings. So if you're looking for spacious storage space to solve your yard life, well, check out Patiowell. I absolutely love this shed. Hubby loves it too. All of Patiowell's information will be listed in my description box down below. Thank you, Patiowell, for the opportunity to share this amazing product with my blessed family. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.